In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a clickable link hyperlink in Gmail. If you've ever wanted your email to look cleaner and more professional, turning plain text into a link is the way to go. Instead of pasting a long URL, you can make a short, clear phrase take your reader exactly where you want them to go. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and clicking Compose to open a new message. You can do this in any folder, it doesn't affect the process. In the body of the email, type the words you want people to click. For example, you might write, visit my website, read the full article, or download the file. Keep it short, descriptive, and relevant so the recipient knows what to expect. Next, use your mouse or trackpad to highlight that text. With the text selected, look along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window for the Insert Link icon. It looks like a small chain link. Click it. If you prefer using the keyboard, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. Both options open the same link dialog. In the web address field, paste the URL you want to attach to that text. Make sure you include the full address, including https:// so Gmail knows exactly where to point the link. Have the link copied to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. You can use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste quickly. Double check for extra spaces or typos. Even a missing character can break the link. When the address looks correct, click OK to confirm. Gmail will convert your selected words into a clickable hyperlink. You'll see the text change style, usually blue and underlined, so you can tell it's linked. From this point forward, anyone who receives your message can click that text and go straight to the website or resource you provided. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Choose link text that clearly describes the destination. Avoid using vague words like click here when you can be specific, and make sure the destination is accessible to your audience. If it's a private document, check that sharing settings allow them to view it. That's all there is to it. Compose your message, write the clickable text, highlight it, insert the link, paste the web address, and click OK. You now have a clean, professional-looking hyperlink in Gmail.